Hi there, and just a little update on the walk around video of the BMW 440i Grand Coupe here we have at your next car. So we have just given this little vehicle a little update. So we have now fitted the genuine BMW 20-inch M Performance alloy wheels to give this little vehicle a little lift ready for the new year. As you can see, it does totally change the vehicle appearance. These alloy wheels are a genuine M Performance BMW alloy wheel, and they are with a staggering £2,500 optional extra fee. That is without the tyres. So I'll just give you a quick little walk around, as I say, and give you a show of what they look like. Obviously, I've just repictured the car with the wheels on. So we've got Pirelli P0 tyres all the way around, in the correct manufacturer specification fitment. As I say, we've just given this vehicle a little bit of an uplift ready for the new year. And this is merely just to give you a little update about how it now sits and looks. As I say, please do check out the previous video on this vehicle for all the further spec and options and an in-depth view around the vehicle. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Take care, bye bye.